Hey guys, this is Andrew from Factory 47, and I just thought I'd show you our new website. Now, we've been working on this website for about a year now, and we have a couple new features. You'll see right here it says if you don't see your bike listed, please call us. And yes, you can give us a call or email us at info@factory47.com if you don't see your bike, because we pretty much have bars for every Harley. We just don't have them all listed here because we're working on it daily to get it updated. But you can search your handlebars up here. If you got a Road Glide, you'll see all the Road Glide bars, Street Glide. We have our accessories here. Now I'm not clicking, I'm just scrolling over, and you can see the different parts by just scrolling over. Now, if you do go to our new feature, this is the best way to search. You can see the different bikes. Now it's only up to 14 right now, but we will be adding 13, 12, 11, all the other years soon, and the different models. So just if you don't see your bike, make sure to just email us and we can get you the parts you need. But I'll give you an example here. So let's select 2026, and here you'll see all the models we have right now. Now, soon we'll have Softails and other models, but this is what we got to right now. So for example, let's go to Street Glide, and it'll automatically, once you click change, and it'll show you all these parts on the right hand side. But if you want to be more specific, you can click handlebar here, and it'll show you all the bars that fit your bike. Now, we have it listed with style, so if you want a meat hook, you can click a meat hook, and it'll show you all the meat hook handlebars we have. And if you want black chrome in this example, or chrome, I'll click chrome right here, you can see that this would be the 2 bar options that you have for your bike. So this is a new feature we have, and we're updating it daily. If you don't see your bike, like I said, we will be adding it. Just give us some time and email us at info@factory47.com and put the year, make, and model of your bike. Also add if it has ABS, because that always helps us. And we can get you the bars and the parts that you need for your bike.